Hi there. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nicole LaRue, and I'm an associate attorney here at the law office of Julie Piquette. And for those of you who do know me and haven't seen me around the office recently, it's because I recently had a herniated disc and was stuck on the floor at home for almost a month. And then my husband had a possible coronavirus scare at work, which led to us staying home for a few days with the kids while we waited for some test results, which were negative. But that got me thinking about all of the things that I didn't have in place prior to working with Julie, and how important it is to have those things in place and to practice what you preach. For example, my husband and I have been married for 7 years now, and prior to working with Julie, I didn't know how important it was to have a Ladybird Deed and what would happen if I wasn't on the deed to our home. And even though we're married and my name may be on other property, without that Ladybird Deed or estate planning documents in place, my house would have to go through probate in order for me to have my name put on it. Another example is some bank accounts. If something were to happen to my husband and my name was not put on those bank accounts, another thing that we would have to open a probate estate for in order to have those transferred into my name. And those are just some personal examples. There are a lot of other examples out there, and I could go on and on about how important it is to make sure you do these things. But the fact of the matter is, life happens. People are busy. We have a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old. They're both in school. We both work. They play sports. Life is just busy, and you think about these things and you put it off and you put it off and you put it off. And then things happen, like you herniate a disc and you're stuck on the floor, or you have a coronavirus scare, or God forbid, something happens and you actually do get coronavirus and you find yourself in the hospital without any estate plan or patient advocate paperwork in place. And we don't want to see that happen. Your loved ones don't want to see that happen. You don't want to see that happen to your loved ones. So that's why I just wanted to take some time and let everyone know that this is what we do day in and day out. We do estate plans, we draft trusts, we draft wills, powers of attorney, patient advocate designations, all of these things in order to make sure if anything were to happen to you, that your loved ones are protected and they know what your wishes would be for your future and their future. If this is something you're interested in, give us a call. The number is 248-648-1148. At this time of year, it's also a great gift to consider. If you don't have your estate plan in place, maybe it's a great gift for yourself. Maybe it's the best gift for someone who has everything else but doesn't have their estate plan done. We all know someone in your life that, what do you give them year after year for the holidays? You don't know. They have everything. Maybe they don't have their estate plan, and this is something that you could help them put in place. Or even for yourself, again, just to have that relief once you have it in place is just a gift of itself, to have that burden lifted off your shoulders. So we are here to help. We will make the process as easy and painless as possible. Please give us a call. The number here is 248-648-1148. Here at the law office of Julie Piquette, we're here to help you. Please give us a call, and I hope you have a great holiday season ahead. Thank you.